get ready with me to get ready for my student's lesson today. So right now I am getting the sheet music open. She's learning Paper Rings by Taylor Swift. So I'm getting that open and ready. Now we're gonna make paper flashcards because to print it costs 50 cents a paper. I don't want to do that, so we're gonna handwrite some. I finished making it. They're not really flashcards, but it's more like a visual thing because ink. I can buy a pen with 50 cents. I actually just finished teaching, so we went over Paper Rings, we went over verse 1, and then we started going over the pre-chorus, and then we started introducing G-string because she hasn't started learning that yet at school, so we started doing that. The flashcards or the paper had G, A, B, C, so she's doing that. And this is me signing off until my next lesson to teach.